Today we are going to be doing pizza. As you can see, I have everything how we need it, and you might be able to see. And so let's get started. And before we start, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Probably want to hold the knife the right way.
You gonna explain to them what you're doing?
So right now I'm cutting it, as you can see.
What are you cutting?
Pepperoni. Here in a minute, I'm probably gonna call my sous chef in.
You're gonna call your sous chef in?
Yep.
Oh, you're fancy.
Thank you, Mama. Okay, now I'm going to get started on greasing this. I'm going to take this, put it over to the side over here. Now I'm going to take this, take a little bit of olive oil. I would use this kind right here.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored, as my mom said. I'm just going to pour a little. You don't want to get too much, but I'm probably going to put too much. There, that's way more than enough. I got way too much.
I think it's good.
Okay.
I thought you called me.
No, I didn't. Here in a minute, I probably want to call my sous chef.
Couldn't you have your sous chef grease your pan for you?
Nope, I'm going to do that by myself.
Okay.
Just going to kind of spread that all around.
Okay,
Get
that looks
nice
good.
and
That's
good.
perfect.
That's perfect.
So, as you can see, where we had left off, I'm going to use this cookie cutter. And I'm going to press it in right here. You
Right
can tell
at the edge.
I pressed it in right there, but I didn't like how it was. So I'm going to start right here. Okay, this is being a little difficult. I am just going to start peeling this off. Hopefully it doesn't turn out so bad. I know it's going to look a little bad, but a little bad is better than a lot bad. And it might not turn out the shape it's supposed to, but nothing turns out perfect. Come on. But I'm just going to make a...
It was a perfect bell.
It wasn't. I didn't like it. Okay, I'm just going to make little baby pizzas.
You're just going to make
Pizza-rolls.
little round circles?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm going to come over here, take a little bit of sauce. Don't need that much for a little pizza. Whoa. I'm going to get it nice and greased.
Greased or putting sauce on it?
Nice and saucy.
Saucy.
Saucy. Saucy.
I know it looks really, it looks like a lot of salt, but it's really not. So I'm gonna take a little bit of cheese. Take a little bit of this.
What is that?
Cheese.
Okay.
A little bit of this. Bacon bits.
Black olives.
Pepperoni.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to squeeze those in, but that's okay. And olives. This isn't my pizza, this is my daddy's pizza. I do not like olives, so whenever you see me with olives, it's either my dad's pizza or... Sorry about that. Don't ever do that, guys.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't know what got into me.
Okay.
I don't...
Got into the moment. You had to have
Yeah.
a diva moment.
I had to be like, girl.
So are you going to make
Wait,
just
wait,
like
wait, wait,
one
wait.
big pizza? Or are you going to make like a calzone? Or are you going to make
Here.
a stromboli?
You said round pizzas. I'm going to try this, see if this
Oh,
works.
okay. My sous chef just had a brilliant idea. Wait, stop.
Okay.
Wait, you're going too fast.
You're going too fast. You just moved
Can
one
we-
time.
Can we put them
I would put them on there. Yeah, I think.
on there and
yeah.
make them carefully,
There
trying
you
not
go.
to get the stuff down?
Okay,
But
I'm
let's,
gonna have
can you cut for a minute and we'll
You
get
just keep
all
going
of them
and I'll
out?
just cut what I need to
Okay.
cut.
We'll get all of these done and then you can make them Okay, because that's what they do a lot on TV, right? They have them done.
Yeah,
they
they're
show you how to
like-
do one,
And then they pop them out of the oven.
And then
they're
they-
in
No, I
here.
want to be like just showing them how to do the whole entire. Now I'm going to make a couple more pizzas. We don't want too many.
You got some little mini pizzas going on there. You got a little bit of stromboli or calzone, depending on what part of
Stromboli.
the country you are from. How do you think about what you did?
Good.
All right, say bye goodbye and you love them.
Bye. Peace.